You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk bulbs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To increase their lifespan, we would suggest never touching the glass with your fingers or cleaning them carefully with paper towels before putting them back. To access and replace the taillight bulbs, you need to open the car trunk. Open the trunk and identify the place where the carpet opens. You can now access the rear of your light block. Remove the power connector board by putting pressure on the two locking studs. You can now access the light bulbs. Each bulb is removed in the same way. Push it in and unscrew with a quarter turn. Take the new bulbs. Do the same but in reverse when putting the new bulb back in.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.
Put the board in position, making sure it is the right way round. Then, all you have to do is push down on the board. Put the carpet back in place. Operation completed.
Please support us. Subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.